and today I'm at Disney's Hollywood Studios for a highly requested video. Today I'm going to be ranking the top 5 quick service locations here at Hollywood Studios. So let's just get right into it. Let's go get into some hijinks. So before we begin our food journey, Disney is really encouraging mobile order. So what you're going to do is you're going to download the My Disney Experience app, you're going to hit mobile order, you're going to select the time that you want that order to be. Now here's a huge tip. Sometimes those times fill up super fast. So if you know that you want to eat at a certain place, as soon as you get into the park, place the mobile order for that pickup time. And then if your plans get changed, you can always cancel the order. So once you pick an arrival time window, place your order. At your arrival time, you're going to see a button that says, I'm here, and they're going to prepare your order and tell you what window to pick up your food. All right, we got it, so let's get into it. Coming in at number 5, Backlot Express. Here's where you can get a very decent burger. It's really not that bad. And some other typical theme park food like chicken strips, but you can also get Southwest salad, a hummus plate, and a Cuban sandwich, which I'm actually going to try for the very first time and see how that is over here. The theming at Backlot Express is a backlot, a Hollywood backlot, where they store props and sets of movies and television. So this room is pretty cool, but the rest is just a little pickup window area, and then you have a lot of outdoor seating. All right, here is that Cuban sandwich. Looks okay. I mean, I'm sure it's not going to be the best Cuban sandwich I've ever had, and I love a Cuban sandwich, so. It's better than it looks, but this bread is so awful. But the inside is pretty good. I wish the sauce had a little more flavor. It's pretty bland. Disney doesn't do, spicy, or it's not even supposed to be spicy, but just it needed a little more flavored, in my opinion. This place really isn't that bad. I would just get a burger. I did want to try this though, and yeah, if you're coming to Backlot, just get a burger. If you're coming to Hollywood Studios and want a burger, this is a good place to get that. I don't really recommend this at all. No, I don't recommend this at all. I'm done eating it too. I'll bring that home for someone else to eat it. Quickly, if you do want the Cuban sandwich, it does come with fries, or you can get apple slices or carrot sticks, and they gave me 2. I love carrot sticks. Good little park snack to keep in your bag. Number 4, Docking Bay 7. Here's why. There's nothing wrong with their menu at all. There isn't. Anytime I've eaten here, it's been pretty good. However, it's just a very heavy menu, like pot roast and ribs and fried chicken. There are some lighter things on here, but overall, it's a very strangely heavy menu, and I've heard from my friends that have kids that have eaten here that the kids didn't enjoy their meals. But I'm gonna try something new I haven't gotten here before and see if that's good. I will very much give Docking Bay 7 their props on theming. It is very cool in here, and there's a lot of indoor and outdoor seating. Here's what we got. We got the roasted Andorian chicken salad, and it's salad, mixed green chicken, and quinoa, and it's a green curry ranch sauce. So I'm excited to try this, and I have never had it before. I feel like this is more on the lighter side here. There are even a little more lighter options, but really, like I said, the main food here is fried chicken and pot roast and ribs. It just baffles me that there's pot roast in Disney World at a quick service restaurant. If that's your game, totally fine. Just not what I think is number 1. What I love here though is that they wrapped up silverware, actual silverware, in a cloth napkin. Feel very fancy on Batu right now. All right, let's try it. Oh, there's also pumpkin seeds in here, I forgot to mention as well. All right, let's do it. It's okay. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be better. It sounded really good. There's a little bit of flavor of the spice of the curry, but overall, it kind of feels just like a mushy salad. I mean, not that the lettuce is mushy, but Yeah, there's really not much flavor to it. I'm a little disappointed in it. Oh, I realized the flavor is coming from the roasted chicken. The roasted chicken is very good, but there's really no flavor in the dressing at all. What I do like, I forgot to mention, is there's roasted vegetables in here. And I love doing like bowls with roasted vegetables. But so to me, the chicken and the roasted vegetables is the best part. But the ranch is totally like, it's almost unnecessary because I'm not really tasting anything. It's just making it, you know, a little bit wet, I guess. Sorry if that's like a weird way to say it, but that's really it. But if you're looking for like that kind of style food at Hollywood Studios, that bowl life, I mean, it's here. It's here for you. But really, if you're looking for a salad in Hollywood Studios, in my opinion, there's only one place to go, and that is the Hollywood Brown Derby for the Cobb salad. The original Hollywood Brown Derby created the Cobb salad. It's delicious. However, right now, the Hollywood Brown Derby is only open for their full-service dining. So it's pretty expensive to go eat a salad there. So what I recommend is once the Hollywood Brown Derby Lounge reopens, you walk in, you get a salad, you sit out on the patio, get yourself a drink, and it's a much, much cheaper meal with a really good salad. Highly recommend when that reopens. Number 3, ABC Commissary. Yeah, are you surprised? I know some of you may be if you've been here before, but ABC Commissary just recently changed their menu. There's so many options now, and honestly, everything has been delicious that I've had so far. Today I'm going to try something new that I haven't had yet, and I'm really excited because I think it's going to be really excellent. So ABC Commissary is based off of commissaries in Hollywood, which is basically like a fancy cafeteria for actors and people who work on film sets and on television. And you can see there's flags of some ABC shows because Disney owns ABC. Here are some highlights of the new menu. They have pork carnita tacos, there's Mediterranean salad with chicken, chicken club sandwich, buffalo chicken, grilled cheese sandwich, curry rice bowl with shrimp, and California burger, plus healthier options for kids. They really stepped up their game. I'm excited to try something new from here. So I placed my mobile order. They told me to go to pickup window number 1. So here we go. So I ended up getting the shrimp tacos. It's sauteed shrimp in a flour tortilla with chipotle mayo and a mango salsa. It smells good, looks good. Let's get on into this new ABC commissary menu. All right, let's do this. Oh, wow. That's delicious. I am really love this. This is surprisingly better than I expected. Like, I knew it was going to be like pretty decent, but wow. That's delicious. That mango salsa with the chipotle mayo and then the cabbage for the crunchiness on the inside. So good. Did I mention there was red cabbage? I don't think I did. It's all delicious, and then the shrimp is cooked really well. It's not like gross at all, because you know how sometimes shrimp can be gross? Like, I feel like that happens at the Epcot festivals. Whenever I get shrimp, it's never a good idea. But this is really good. I really recommend this 100%. I'm super happy with this. I would totally get this again. I really recommend it. Have you tried it before? Let me know in the comments. Have you tried any of the other things on the new menu here at ABC Commissary? Something that I should try? Let me know. But until then, I'm going to enjoy this shrimp taco. Really good. Oh, I was so into the shrimp taco. It does come with rice and beans. And here we go. Wow. I was going to be like, yeah, it's just rice and beans, but that tastes really good. The beans itself has like a really nice flavor. There's like something on it, maybe cheese. Yeah, a little cheese on there. That's what's giving it. This is delicious. This is a great meal. I highly recommend this. Made it to Toy Story Land for my number 2 pick, quick service, Woody's Lunchbox. I love this place so much. I have eaten everything on this menu, and I've actually created 3 recipes from this menu for this channel, and I will link them all right here. You can make your own 3 grilled cheese at home, and I recommend that. It's so delicious. It's the best thing I've ever eaten, honestly. And their Totchos are so good, and you can make that at home. And the lunchbox tarts, which are like Pop Tarts, which you can make at home, and they're so good. Everything is really delicious. I love this place so much. I recently ate at Woody's Lunchbox a few weeks ago, and I ended up getting the kids menu grilled cheese, which is the same as the adult, but you only get half of the grilled cheese, which was enough for me, and it was so delicious as usual. But what's so funny is I haven't had that grilled cheese since I made my own version of it at home, and I have to be honest, I really actually liked mine better. So go make that and tag me on Instagram that you made the 3 grilled cheese and that it was better than Woody's Lunchbox, even though it's so delicious here. So definitely try it. I love it. And get it with the tomato soup. You gotta dunk it in. That is the secret, and it is wonderful. Before I reveal the #1 quick service at Hollywood Studios, here are some honorable mentions. Ronto roasters. Yes, I'm not putting Ronto roasters with the rest of the quick services because it's really only the Ronto wrap or the breakfast Ronto wrap. So it just seemed a little too small, a little too niche to put on the list. It's basically you like it or you don't. I love it, but people don't eat sausage, people don't eat pork, people don't like it. So if you like pork, if you like sausage, I highly recommend a Ronto wrap. I love both of them, and you can make your own at home with my recipe. I will link it right here. Honorable mention shout out is Hollywood Scoops. This is your go-to for your ice cream at Hollywood Studios. Just ice cream, no food here, but it's very good, and I wanted to shout it out. Let the comment arguments begin, because my #1 pick is Baseline Tap House for many, many reasons. Are you shocked? I mean, if you know me by now, you may not be, because if you know me, you know how much I love Baseline Tap House. I love everything on their small plates menu. Everything is delicious. The only flaw of Baseline is that there is no mobile order, but that's okay. It's worth the wait. It's delicious. Plus, their beer menu is crazy great, and you can do flights. They have wine on tap. They have cocktails. It's such a great little place. Definitely lean toward more adults, but I'm sure kids can enjoy something on the small plates menu. I've had everything on the menu, and I love coming back every time. And on top of it, there's charcuterie. And if you know me, you know I love charcuterie. Plus, their charcuterie is only $10. That's crazy. It's cheap. That is really cheap for charcuterie. So if you're a charcuterie fan, you're gonna come to Baseline. So you know I'm getting the charcuterie. Look at this spread for only $10. That's actually a really good price for all of this food. This is like, you know, it's a good shareable snack, or it's a good lunch. I like having it for lunch. I'm also trying for the first time, this is non-alcoholic. It's the wild strawberry lemonade. It just sounded really good, and I wanted to try it, so let's dig in. Let's try out this lemonade. Ooh, it's so nice and refreshing on a hot day. That's so delicious. It's a little sweet because it is lemonade, but I really love that strawberry flavor with it. That's absolutely delicious. And it's non-alcoholic, so you can come here, get something for yourself, and you can get that for your kids. So there's 2 different types of meat. One is more of like a salami-style meat, and the other is like a pepperoni. There's a spreadable cheese. I'm pretty sure this is like a... It's like not a Parmesan, I'm not really sure, but it's good. And there's some blue cheese, and honestly, it's so delicious. All of it. I just love putting it all together. It's almost like making little sandwiches. And it's really delicious. Meat, cheese, and bread. Life can't really get much better than that. Well, my dudes, that is my top 5 quick service dining in Disney's Hollywood Studios. Let me know in the comments which quick service is your favorite. Let me know if you agree or disagree with my top 5. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, hit your bell notifications so you don't miss anything that goes on this channel. And follow me on Instagram at Magical Hijinx. And until next time, my dudes, I hope you guys get into some hijinks very, very soon. Bye-bye.